how about somebody explain to me why this is even going to be a necessary act repeatedly several times until it uncontrollably will throw up not only the milk that it drunk, but milk that it drunk the day before and the day before that. Please tell me who is going to put this machine on their baby and let their baby suffer through this. Because if you're going to do that, you don't need children. Just drop your baby off at the nearest animal shelter because they can do a better job taking care of your baby than you can. Obviously, you're an unfit parent.